Hi guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to this tutorial. Yay! What's up guys? How you doing? Okay, today you're going to create with me a simple project Gantt chart. Just like the one you're seeing on the screen. Yes, we're going to do it together. It's very easy. I'm here for you. So let's get into it. Permit me to delete this first. Oh, we can just do this. Okay, so we're good. So let me delete this also. Let's start from the top, you know. So these are my tags. Let me delete this. Now we're good. So these tags were actually for my MSc project. So I had these action or tags, whatever you want to name yours. I had my start date, I had my end date. So but what I'm going to be plotting, it's going to be my tags, my start dates, and the duration or days complete. So I'm going to title this duration. So my duration is going to be my end date minus the difference between my end date and my start date. So I'm going to put equal to, then I pick my end date. My end date is my F2. Then I put minus and I pick my start date and I tap enter. So it took me 3 days to complete this task. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to as usual, this small box below here, you just tap it or you drag it down. So what are you going to do to yours? Either tap it or drag it down. So I'm going to tap mine. So I just tap it twice and automatically all my days are there. So as you can see, so now let's get on to create Gantt chart together. So what are we going to do? We are going to go to, let me click out first. We're going to go to insert and we're going to go to the chart area and pick a bar chart. So on the bar chart, I will pick a 3D bar, no, a 2D. I prefer a 2D. I'll pick a 2D bar. So this is my 2D chart. So let's get onto it. Let's do the magic in this box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click inside this box and right click. So we want to bring in our data. So right click, either you right click inside the box and select data here, or you just look up a bit please, and you just look up and you see this select data top here on this ribbon here. So but I'll go with this one. So I'll select my data. On the legend entry, I'm going to pick my first data. So I click on add my series name. So you're starting from the start date. I pick my series name and my series value is going to be the range. So all I have to do is click in this box and drag it down. Right? See? I just click OK. So next I'm going to pick my duration. So how do I add my duration? I just have to go here, my legend entries again and add, and series name, you pick the title of your column, and series value is the range in that column. So you pick from the top. So for mine I pick from 3 to 1 here, and that's it. Beautiful. And I click OK. Was that easy? Of course it was. Then I click on edit. Now we want to pick the other horizontal axis, what is going to be there. So you're going to pick your tags. So I just on this part you don't have to pick the heading, you just pick the range. So for mine I'm picking from submit proposal to submit final report and present project. So that's it. I click OK. Yay, all our data are complete. Are you with me? Of course you are. So all our data are in. You just click OK. and voila. Now you notice that what we have here actually is less than what we have on Excel. What we have on our chart is less than what we have on Excel, so it means there's no space. That means we have to drag it down. Yeah, you see, there's no cause for you to panic. Okay, so what do we do next? You notice our horizontal, or should I say our left hand side, is in the reverse order, so we need to change it. So all you have to do is click inside this box. When you click in, you right click and format series. By the way, I'm using Office 365 as usual. I didn't want to say as usual. So you pick categories in reverse order. See, simple, just a click will do everything. Now our chart has been reversed. Click outside the box and see how it is. Yeah, our chart is reversed. Let me expand this a bit. Now you notice that these blue lines was actually added by the chart. My start date is actually from 2022 March, 1st of March, and see what the chart gave me. 2021, that is 2021. So I need to take this out. So to take this out, you just right click on any of the blue lines. You right click and you format series, and you go to the right hand side, you see format data series, and you click on fill and line, and on the fill category you pick no fill, and it takes out the fill for that unwanted space. And look at how it is. It's not looking gorgeous. This space here, we need to take this space out. Do you know what we should do to take this space out? I think we need to take out this the dates here. So our start date is from 1st of March, so we need to start from 1st of March. We don't need any space in between here. So what do? We format series, we click on the date and you right click, click inside the date, then you right click, then you format axis. Now to format axis, you notice that these are not in dates, right? They are actually in numbers. So we need to convert our dates to numbers. So what do? Go back to Excel. We pick our start date. I usually copy it down. I don't want to change anything on Excel. Pick our start date somewhere in the Excel and paste it, and you go to home, and the number aspect, we change date to number. So to make it faster, we'll do the same thing for end date. Go to end date and you put it here and you change it to number. So easy. So we go back to format our series on this axis. So you go back to, because I'm using Office 365, I'm not sure if it's the same thing. Because I'm using Office 365, in Office 365 when you click on it, automatically gives you for the format series by the right. But just for the purpose of other versions of Office, let me just go this way. I right click on it and I format series. Then my minimum is going to be my start date number, which is 44621. So I pick 44621 as my minimum, and my maximum is 44813. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. 44813. Yeah. So we're coming out nicely. I think technically we are done. So what is left is how to make this graph look a bit gorgeous. So what do? First of all, let's add a title. So you click on the plus sign. It can this chart element can either be on the left or on the right. So you just look at it. You just look out for where it's going to be in yours. So mine is on the left. So I pick my chart series. Sorry, I pick my chart title rather, and I will call this projects Gantt chart. Yeah. So what do we do next to make this look gorgeous? So you notice that we have lots of spaces on each of the lines, so you just have to click on any of them. When you click on any of them, as usual, you right click and you format series. So we want to reduce the spaces between, so you make sure that your series overlap is on 100% and your gap width, look at the gap width. Are you seeing it's expanding? It's trying to close up the space. So normally leave mine at 5%, 5 or 10%, depends on you. You can even leave yours at 0. So you see, just close up that space. Now what do I want to do again? I want to change color. So let me see, go to format series. So you go to your fill. You can see the color is here. I'm a fan of green. Let's see if it works. Yes. So what do we do again to this table, to this chart rather? We can go to the elements, and if you want to add your axis title, you can actually add it, or if you want to do more coloring, want more designs, you can come up here to the chart design. Let me quickly show you the ones I really like. So I like this. Just hold on a bit. I actually like this. Why do I like this? Like in my projects, I didn't actually use this at the end of the day, but I was considering it because this chart gave me a chart. I also gave me a table. So I wanted to copy out the table and paste it, but I didn't end up doing that. So I didn't end up using the chart design. So I left my chart like this. No, did I leave my chart like this? No, just one more thing. I wish I can open my projects for you to see. It looks so gorgeous. So what I did next was I went to the chart element on this plus sign. I click on it and I remove the grid lines. So you see, so when you actually take this and paste it on your Word document, it looks so fantastic. I think that is very easy. If you didn't get any of the steps, you can just go back, or you can drop a comment or send me an email. I will explain it further for you to understand. Maybe later I will do a Gantt chart with a progress bar. I just wanted to show a quick way to create a simple Gantt chart. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe as usual. Bye. See you in my next tutorial. I'm excited. Bye.